Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. Purple color, dark green color, dark pink color, sky blue color, red color, brown color, yellow color, light green color. The next one is silver color, orange color, black color, white color, blue color, and the last one is light pink color. Stay with us. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F. Kids, the next one is G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. The next one is Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Now we're writing alphabets. First we're using the color of silver and writing the alphabet of A. Stay with us. A for apple. The next one is B. B for ball. C. C for cow, C for cat. D. D for dog, D for doll. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. The next one is H. Stay with us. H for hand. Now we're writing the alphabet of I. Orange color. Now we're using the color of orange and writing I. I for ice, I for ice cream. J for jackfruit. Now we're writing the alphabet of K. The next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. M. N for nose, N for nest, kids. The next one is O. The next one is P. P for penguin. Stay with us. Brown color. Now we're using the color of brown. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. The next one is X, Y. The last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching.